2024 Subaru Crosstrek. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.